Hello and welcome to Agege Kitchen. Today's video is on how I make French toast using Agege bread. For those who are not familiar with Agege bread, it is a soft Nigerian bread that has a chewy, fluffy, and stretchy texture. For those in the United States, Agege bread can be found in most African supermarkets. My French toast recipe creates a soft and firm French toast. It is sweet and delicious and everyone will love it. Dust with powdered sugar before serving and enjoy it with your favorite fruits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Agege Kitchen. Thanks for watching.